فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. We start our lesson from verse number 27. Allazina yanquzuna ahdallah. Allazina is used as a conjunction. Meaning of allazina is those who. In yanquzuna, ya is prefix and wanun is used as suffix. So the root word of yanquzuna will be nun or za. So the meaning of yanquzuna will be break. Ahdallahi, root word of ahda is ain ha dal. Meaning of ahda is the covenant. Allah, Allah is the person name of Allah Almighty. Root word of Allah is alif lam ha. In min badi, min is used as a preposition. Meaning of min is from. Root word of badi is ba ain dal. Meaning of badi is after. In misakihi, he is an attached pronoun. Meaning of he is its. Root word of misakihi is wa sa qaf. So the meaning of misakihi will be its ratification. Wa yaqtauna, wa is preposition, meaning of wa is an. In yaqtauna, ya is used as a prefix and wa noon is suffix. So the root word of yaqtauna will be qaf ta ain, and the meaning of yaqtauna will be civil. Ma amarallahu, meaning of ma is what. Root word of amara is hamza mim ra. So the meaning of amara will be he has ordered. Allah, Allah is the person name of Allah Almighty. Root word of Allah is alif lam ha. In bihi, bi is preposition, meaning of bi is with. In bihi, he is an attached pronoun, meaning of bihi is with it. Ayusala, meaning of an is to. Root word of yusala is waw swaz lam, and the meaning of yusala is be joined. Wa yufsiduna, wa is preposition, meaning of wa is an. In yufsaduna, ya is used as a prefix, wa noon is a suffix. Root word of yufsaduna will be fa sin dal, and the meaning of yufsaduna is do mischief. In fil arzi, fi is used as a preposition. Meaning of fi is in or on. In al arzi, I'll make this definite noun. Root word of al arzi is hamza ra swa, so the meaning of al arzi is the earth. Ulaika is a demonstrative pronoun. Meaning of ulaika will be those. Whom is a detached pronoun. Meaning of whom is they. In al khasiruna, al is used as a definite article. I'll make this definite noun. Root word of al khasirun will be kha sin ra. So the meaning of al khasirun will be the losers. So the complete translation of this verse will be those who break Allah's covenant after ratifying it and sever Allah has ordered to be joined and do mischief on earth. It is they who are the losers. Meaning of kaifa is how will. In takfuruna, ta is used as a prefix and wanun is used as a suffix. So the root word of takfuruna will be kafara, and the meaning of takfuruna will be you disbelieve. In billahi, be is used as a preposition, meaning of be is in. Allah, Allah is the person name of Allah Almighty. Root word of Allah is alif lam ha. Wa is used as a preposition, meaning of wa is. While in kuntum, tum is used as attached pronoun, meaning of kuntum is you were. Root word of kuntum is kaf waw noon amwatan. Tanween make this indefinite noun. Root word of amwatan is mim bauta. Meaning of amwatan is lifeless. Fa ahyakum, fa is used as a letter. Meaning of fa is then. Root word of fa ahyakum is ha ya ya. Whom is an attached pronoun. Meaning of fa ahyakum will be then he gave you life. Summa yumitukum. Meaning of summa is then. In yumitukum, ya is prefix. Root word of yumitukum is mim bauta. Whom is an attached pronoun. Meaning of yumitukum will be he will give you death. Summa yuhyikum. Meaning of summa is then. In yuhyikum, ya is used as prefix. Root word of yuhyikum is ha ya ya. is an attached pronoun, meaning of yuhyikum will be then he will bring you to life. Summa ilayhi turja'un, meaning of summa is then. In ilayhi, ila is used as a preposition, meaning of ila is unto. He is an attached pronoun, meaning of he is him. In turja'un, ta is used as a prefix and wawnun is used as a suffix. Root word of turja'un will be ra, jim, ain. So the meaning of turja'un will be you will be returned. So the complete translation of this verse will be, how can you disbelieve in Allah saying that you were dead and he gave you life, then he will give you death, then again he will bring you to life, and then to him you will return.